Hello children, before going to start the lesson, let me ask you some introductory questions. What is a sentence? Yes, a set of words or a group of words that makes up a complete thought is known as sentence. Okay, now how many types of sentences are there? There are 4 different types of sentences. They are declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory, as you have already learnt in your previous class. Today we only talk about declarative sentence and its parts. So come to our topic, children. Every sentence has 2 parts. Remember, every sentence has 2 parts. One is subject, another one is predicate. At first, let's discuss about subject, or how do you know that which word indicates a subject in a sentence? Listen, a subject can be a noun or a pronoun. The person or the thing about which something is said is called subject. In other words, who is performing the action or what is performing the action is said to be subject. Again, I will repeat. The person or thing about which something is said is called subject. Or in other words, who or what is performing the verb or action is said to be subject. Now let's have a look about subject. Hari sang a song. Here the action of singing is done by whom? Or who is performing the verb? Yes, Hari is performing the verb, or the action of singing is done by Hari. So that here Hari is subject. Another example. Honesty is the best policy. Can you find out any verb or action? No, there is no action. But as I told you, about which something said in a sentence, that is called subject. So here, about which the sentence said? Yes, about honesty the sentence said. So that honesty is the subject. One more example, children. There are many flowers in the garden. Can you find out the subject? Okay. Then tell me, what are there in the garden? Yes, flowers. So, this sentence said about flowers. So that here, many flowers is the subject. Now come towards predicate. Except the subject, the remaining part of the sentence is known as predicate. And predicate can be divided into 2 parts, verb and complement. Now let's have a look. Radha will sing a song. Here, as you know, Radha is subject, will sing is the verb, and a song is the complement. Another example. Good students obey their teachers. Which is the subject? Yes, good students is the subject. And the remaining part is the predicate, which contain verb and complement. Here the verb is obey and the complement is their teachers. Understood? Okay, now let's test your knowledge. Find out the subject and the predicate from the following sentences. She has failed again. The elephant has a short tail. Our soldiers defeated the enemy. The story is very interesting. There was a clock on the wall. Okay children, that's all for today. Keep learning. Thank you. And try to text your answer in the comment box.